Alright, I got some little stuff more descaled. Time to start wiping down. Once we wipe down, we're going to put the rust encapsulator on from there. It was about probably up here. So let's get to it. Well, a milestone has been reached. I officially am done with the Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Platinum. I got absolutely everything. Pretty pumped. I initially thought I was going to have to wool wax all of this stuff back here, but I ended up getting it quite well. This is all brushed on, surprisingly. So, basically, never underestimate the power of a brush. I mean, it is covered. I've got 2 coats on there. Almost used the entire gallon on it all. I think it looked great though. Tomorrow I will black tractor paint it all, and then we'll be done and ready to throw in fuel lines, brake lines, fuel tank. I was really concerned about this area, but I got that good and covered. The spots that are black that aren't covered are still factory undercoating, so yeah. Pretty cool.